जेम एंड ज्वेलरी एक्सपोर्ट प्रमोशन काउंसिल या GJEPC ने राष्ट्रीय राजधानी में 18 दिसंबर 2019 को 45वें इंडिया जेम एंड ज्वेलरी अवार्ड्स या IGJA का आयोजन किया। GJEPC के माध्यम से यह उद्योग प्रधानमंत्री के मेक इन इंडिया के विजन पर काम कर रहा है और लगातार $75 बिलियन प्रति वर्ष के निर्यात लक्ष्य को प्राप्त करने का प्रयास कर रहा है और इस तरह 2025 तक अतिरिक्त 2 मिलियन नौकरियों का निर्माण करने का लक्ष्य रखा गया है। IGJA फंक्शन को संबोधित करते हुए GJEPC के अध्यक्ष प्रमोद कुमार अग्रवाल ने पिछले कुछ वर्षों में हुए कुछ अहम बदलावों को रेखांकित किया।
Sir, our industry is 6th largest export in the world, and we are $40 billion exports. In rupee terms, we grew more than 5%. And cut and polished diamonds, which is the major exports, and which from Gujarat, and lot of jewelry manufacturing also grown now there. India's 4th largest in gold jewelry exports, which is $12 billion. The color gemstone industry in Jaipur is one of the finest cutting and polishing color gemstones. Also, there's huge demand for silver jewelry, which we are also making a good remark, and we are also coming into 4th largest exporter from India. The industry GJEPC is working Honorable Prime Minister's vision, Make in India, and continuously putting efforts to achieve $75 billion exports and 2 million additional jobs in coming years. Sir, we have understood the huge goal cannot be achieved without revamping the current infrastructure and policy and taxation framework and social security of workers in the sector. GJEPC has taken the difficult path to creating mega infrastructure like Jewelry Park in Mumbai, Jempurs in Jaipur, and also last time I remember you supported us when I spoke to you about imitation jewelry, that we are going to come into Delhi and NCR because in UP there is a major manufacturing of imitation fashion jewelry. So we'll come up there and many more other clusters will go and bring our manufacturing enhancement more higher scale.
We have our chief guest on this very stage, the Honorable Union Minister of Commerce and Industry, Shri Piyush Goyal ji. We'd like to call on Shri Kirit Bansali, the convener, to present a wonderful souvenir to him on this very stage. Round of applause for this moment, especially, ladies and gentlemen.
2018 के लिए अलग अलग श्रेणियों में 41 से अधिक पुरस्कार दिए गए। इस पुरस्कार ने उद्योग जगत के प्रमुख नामों को भी सम्मानित किया।
Here we go with the set 1, cut and polished diamonds, highest turnover. The first being presented by Honorable Shri Piyush Goyal ji to the winner, Kiran Gems.
Precious metal jewelry studded large. Winner, Renaissance Jewelry. Round of applause.
Jewelry plain large.
of skill. And the winner is Sanjoy Pramanik. Round of applause for him.
Put your hands together, जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत करिए मंच पे the awardee for lifetime achievement श्री वसंत मेहता. जोरदार तालियां everyone.
केंद्रीय मंत्री पीयूष गोयल ने सभा को संबोधित किया और रत्न और आभूषण उद्योग के घटकों और निर्यातकों के लिए कई नई नीतिगत उपायों के बारे में बात की. उन्होंने उद्योग के मुद्दे को उठाने में GJEPC की सक्रिय भूमिका की प्रशंसा की और कहा कि इस क्षेत्र में बड़ी संभावनाएं हैं.
Thank you very much for being here this evening to felicitate the award winners, to encourage them to do even better. And I'm sure each one of the award winners, while he or she has excelled in their life, very clearly it's an inspiration for all of us in this room and the entire trade across the country to do better, to do more. I think the award that our friend from Surat got for being the largest turnover should encourage others to now aspire to beat that turnover. I'm sure the good work that Vasant Bhai has done as throughout his life, serving the industry, serving the council, and taking up issues of concern, will encourage all the youngsters, all the next generation here, to serve the industry, to serve all of us for a better, more organized working in this sector. Similarly, the exciting part of all the awards, I think, was the Women Entrepreneur of the Year award. Congratulations to you, madam. I'm also very delighted to see the young man getting an award for the good work he has done and the competition, the international competition, where he was recognized for his talent. That's something which is really very encouraging. Congratulations to the young man. There are many more awards to come, but my personal congratulations to each one of the award winners. And I have no doubt in my mind that collectively, the entire industry will work together, will work for a better and far more fruitful future for all the stakeholders, including the workmen who work with us. I was told the gentleman who got the award for the highest CSR has invested heavily in setting up medical facilities for all his employees and various other initiatives which are extremely encouraging for people in government to see, and it gives us a sense of pride that the industry cares for itself, that the industry is working for a better future for the 5 million people engaged directly or indirectly with your sector. And similarly, I must acknowledge the role played by your council, and Rupaji, I'm sure you'll second me in that the amount of time they spend, the amount of effort they put in to bring your issues to the government, to fight with us, get things sorted out, to get things taken forward is truly, truly very encouraging. My best wishes to all of you. Please continue to serve your industry in the same way. बहुत-बहुत शुभकामनाएं.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have with us today also our guest of honor. We're going to welcome him with claps on this very stage. We're going to make some noise for him right here in this very crowd. Let's welcome Mr. Vinay Sahasrabuddhe. Round of applause for him, ladies and gentlemen.
I think that in our trade and commerce areas, and especially those who are teaching management science, commerce, and even economics, literacy about this particular field perhaps is very low. कई लोगों को पता नहीं कि ये दुनिया क्या होती है और इसमें देश के वेल्थ क्रिएशन के संदर्भ में कितना बड़ा योगदान दिया जाता है. और इसलिए मैं किरीट भाई के अनुरोध पर अगर यहाँ पर आया हूँ तो उसका एकमात्र कारण है कि लेट मी सैल्यूट द प्रीमियम वेल्थ क्रिएटर्स ऑफ द कंट्री, विच इज़ व्हाई आई एम ओवर हियर. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next category coming up, cut and polished diamonds SME. The winner is Upal Diamond.
All right, cut and polished diamonds, the runner-up. Came very close. So close yet so far. Goes to Royal Impex. Zordar Talia.
And coming up next, cut and polished diamonds, highest turnover, second, goes to Hari Krishna Exports Private Limited.
Our next award, cut and polished diamonds, highest. Foreign tourist, and the winner is Silver and Art Palace. Zordar तालियां उनके लिए.
And here comes the next award your way. Precious metal jewelry, plain large. Please put your hands together for Vallabhji Malsi and company.
Move on to the 11th award for the evening. Precious metal jewelry, studded, large, runner-up. And the winner is Gold Star Jewelry Private Limited.
Oh, congratulations! And the next category coming up, precious metal jewelry, plain and studded SME, the winner. Please put your hands together, everybody, for Shubham Motiwala and Jewelers Private Limited.
Our next winner, Precious Metal.
for the most innovative company, and this one goes to Lemon Technomist Private Limited.
Who gets the best digital initiative? And the winner is Kapu Gems.
Ladies and gentlemen, the award for highest employment on roll of company goes to Emerald Jewel Industry India Limited.
Highest taxpayer company. भाई क्या कहें इनके बारे में? किरण जेम्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड.
Highest gems and jewelry sales importer, Middle East. Let's all put our hands together for Bafle Jewelry LLC. Clearing Agent of the Year, and this one goes to Chennai and Company. This next award is Best Banking, Financing and Industries overall, highest limits sanctioned, and the award goes to the State Bank of India.
The best bank financing, the industry's exports, highest limit sanction goes to IndusInd Bank Limited. जोरदार तालियां उनके लिए. The category is Best Agency Supplying Gold. Who is the best agency supplying gold? And the winner is the Bank of Nova Scotia. जोरदार तालियां उनके लिए.
Coming up next, Best Agency Supplying Gold, highest number of clients. Let's all put our hands together for MMTC Limited.
Thank you so much to all the gents on stage. And I think there's only one thing left to do, right, Gitika?
Yes, Shri Kirit Bansali, Convener Awards, will now render the vote of thanks.
As we come to an end of this evening, I congratulate all the award winners today, and now I would like to thank each and every one for making this evening a very memorable. I would like to thank our chairman, Sri Pramod Agrawal ji, and vice chairman, Sri Colin Shah, for their encouragement and leadership, as well as their unstinted support to the council and its member in their attempt to promote the industry. Thank you, Anil Bhai, our convener NDF, for his active support in making this event successful once again. My deep gratitude to my colleagues of the Committee of Administration for their suggestion and feedback in organizing this event. Last but not the least, I would like to thank our wonderful audience, without whom we all would have not enjoyed this evening very much. Thank you very much.
Focus, ideate, innovate, enable.